Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to edit email campaigns on Mailchimp mobile. Now the most straightforward way to do this is to install the Mailchimp app for mobile. And you can go about this with the Play Store or your App Store and just open it up. The same if you have an account, just log it in and you'll be taken to the dashboard right here. Now, there are a few differences. The most obvious would be the interface. And on mobile, to start creating an email, just tap on the plus icon here at the bottom. You'll be taken to this drop down. Just tap on Create an Email. You'll be asked to choose a template. Now let's just go with this one and let's tap on Select. Now there is one thing to note when composing on your phone. There are certain buttons that you can't edit. For example, as we see here, it's an unsupported block and you can only edit it on a desktop. Now some of them you can edit normally, such as what we see here. However, you are still able to create and edit an email on the PC for a mobile formatting. Now let me show you how that's done. Just go over, let's create, go to regular email, let's go to basic layout, natural. See, once we're done editing here, all we have to do is preview and then click on mobile so we can see exactly how it looks on a phone. Now granted, you can't edit it right here, which would be really helpful if you are making it for mobile, but this is as good as we get. We can either create it on the phone and then edit the bits that we can't edit on the phone on your PC. I hope this vid helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, maybe ring the notification bell so you stay updated. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.